like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby?
Hey y'all, so I am gonna do a really impromptu like try on, kind of like vlog style. So I am in my beauty room, that's my normal setup, but I'm over here because I am on my way somewhere. So I just want to come and record this video. So I got my edges laid down. I do got clothes on, honey, we good. So I wanted to just come on here and try out this Danessa Myricks. Yeah, another Danessa Myricks product. I know y'all, I mentioned in my last video where I tried out the Danessa Myricks blurring balm. I gotta wipe this thing off every time, it gets really ugly. But we tried this out. This is the universal shade, but I have her actual Yummy Skin Serum Foundation that I want to try out with y'all. So this is in the shade 18G. I got this from Camera Ready Cosmetics also. This is a fairly new product. It's not like new, but that's what that looks like. But it's fairly new. But I want to use it in conjunction with the universal shade, which is something like a primer. One thing I did mention in my last vlog, or in the video, like I learned that I didn't like this little scooper thing, even though it is for sanitary purposes. Like, sis, you gotta remember to wipe it off. You gotta remember to put it back in. You know what I'm saying? Cause I forget. But like I said, this is very informal. I just wanted to try this on with y'all. Maybe I can do some check-ins. Head over to my friend's house. They're having a barbecue. I don't even want to say just a barbecue, but they're cooking for Memorial Day. So we're gonna go over. Me and Cameron are gonna head over. And let me zoom y'all in some. I have a lot of new products like sitting here. But I'll just mention them as we go, I guess. So there's that. But I don't know about this brow pencil because it's so freaking tiny. Like, it's like micro tiny. Do y'all see? Y'all can't even barely see. I'm gonna put some of this Anastasia brow gel in my brows before we do that. And this is just the brow freeze. So I have the Yummy Skin Serum Foundation. Like I said, it's in the shade 18G. This is, they're saying that this is a hybrid foundation. So it's medium buildable coverage for all day wear. So this is supposed to give your skin like a natural glow. They say it's light hybrid foundation, buildable. So it has a balance of hydration and moisture while protecting your skin from any antioxidants. But it is comfortable enough for all day wear, so I'm gonna try it on. Since I have already primed, I'm gonna go ahead and pop it on. Like I said, this is a refillable foundation. It has a squeeze applicator. I'm gonna use this small Morphe E56 brush, and I'm sorry if y'all can hear camera music, honey. I guess he needed you. Ooh, it feel thick. Oh crap. That probably was too much. Didn't I know that already? Didn't I know that? That's a good cover. That's a good shade from me. Okay, you don't need that much foundation. Blend this side up. I really want to see how this works in conjunction with this blurring balm. They say that they're made to work with each other, so that's always a good thing. I'm on my vlogging camera, y'all, so excuse me. let's go in with concealer and then we'll go back and set it all over our face. So I'm gonna take the shade number 25 by Dose of Colors, and we're gonna use that just to conceal a little bit. And then I'm gonna take the Fenty shade 390, and I'm gonna place that right there like that. I have my Say cream bronzer. Told you this is gonna be quick and simple, honey. I'm gonna take this Morphe E5 brush. Let's take the sponge and clean it out. I don't want it to sit too long. I just want to do something really simple. I say that every single time. But I feel like even with Danessa's products, even with this product, and even with like some of her other stuff, like it's hard to like overdo it because it isn't built to be like super full cover. She's all about skin, so that's why I say that. Not saying any of the other foundations aren't about skin, but her products are built around skin like foundations, powders, and stuff like that. So I'm definitely gonna have to add more of her stuff to my kit. I think I want my under eye brighter than that. Hold on. I'm gonna take this BOING concealer by Benefit in the number 9. Place it right there. I've been trying to just get in the mode of just like sitting down and filming, because we get so caught up in wanting it to look a certain kind of way, and that's fine and dandy too, but when you're in the mood, just do it. You know what I mean? That's what's been working for me. I'm also going to be using a new setting powder. This is the GRAFTOBIAN Banana Cream Pie setting powder. It's very fine, very light. I have been using it on myself the last couple of weeks, and I really like it since I got that order. And I really like it because it's really light. So I'm going to order another one so I can have one for my kit. I try to keep, you know, my kit and my stuff separate. And I see it keep trying to like, you see how effortless, like how light that is? Love it. Okay, I'm going to take my oldie but a goodie. This is actually something that they sold out of, and girl, I had to get me like 2 backups, one from like Macari or Poshmark, and I had one extra one, and it looks like it's broke. It's broke. Why is it broke? I'll have to try to find it somewhere else. I don't know how to fix that, so I'm gonna leave it alone for right now. We're just gonna take this one and use this part right here, honestly. To set my entire face, we're gonna take this L'Oreal Infallible powder. We're just gonna use it to set everywhere. This brow pencil is for anyone who has a light hand. Like if you heavy handed, don't you get one of these pencils. See? think I got it, cause oh my god. I keep breaking the pencil. I'm not doing it that hard. Girl. Benefit would never. That's why I hadn't even been using it, because I break it the whole time I'm sitting. It's a waste of a brow pencil, because it's just sitting there breaking the whole time. Next thing you know, it's gone. But you can be like handed on your own with any other pencil and not feel like you're wasting your money. When I see people using this, they be like, didn't I just get this brow pencil? Yeah, you probably did, but you done broke it. So, see, you done broke it again. It broke like 6 times since I've been doing my brows these hot little 5 minutes. I'm gonna take blush from this Rouge Romance, this Ever After, mixed in with some of the. I mean, I'll be like, girl, you ain't even putting no blush on. We putting enough on, child. We don't want a lot. Just need a little bit. Maybe it's a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Are we gonna conceal our brows? I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. Look at how much foundation I wasted. I don't like it. I was gonna go into my brows with that Benefit pencil, but I was like, no, I'm just gonna leave it alone. I don't know why Huda got that pencil so skinny like that. What else we gonna put on our? I'm gonna put this bronzer. Girl, I hate that one is broke like that. I only had 2. Now I'm gonna have to try to find another one. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. Okay, let's put a gloss on though, because it's necessary. Okay. I just want to do a gloss today. Super simple. We're gonna do Oyster Girl by MAC. Oh, sorry, that's what that looks like. Maybe Oyster Girl hits every time. If you ain't got no Oyster Girl, you definitely should get you one. I have to order them online though, cause they don't honor my discount at the dealer's counter. So I ordered online because I'm gonna get that discount. JACLYN did her thing with these lashes, purple. Then I'm going to take this Charlotte Tilbury spray and just set her face. And that's it. So I come back on with like a finished look. I'm about to put my clothes on, so I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so here's the finished look. How do we like it? Because baby, I am feeling this foundation so far. It's very nice, very like, let me come up. I like it so far, but I just want to come on here and try this foundation out with y'all. If I remember while I'm there, I'll do some check-ins so we can have some type of little timeline, because right now it's 4:41 right now, 4:41. So I'll do some check-ins just to see how it's going, how it's, you know, because I'm pretty sure we're going to be in and out of the house. mostly in, but so we're about to head out. Like I said, I'll check in and then I'll just add those in here. Okay, beauty, so here is what I'm looking like. It is now 10:44. I don't have my phone, so it is now 10:44. This is what we're looking like. Okay, this is the nitty gritty, raw and uncut. But I wanted to come on here and close this out for y'all. I've literally had this on since what? We did a 4 something. So I've had it on for like 5 or 6 hours. So this doesn't look too bad. My lip is gone, baby. I've eaten, I've drank, I've talked my ass off. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. Looking very skin-like, very. It doesn't look bad at all, girl. It doesn't look bad. Y'all can't say this look bad. This don't look bad at all. Okay, considering. So I just want to come on here, close this video out with y'all, show y'all what it looked like 5 to 6 hours later. Like, she's a keeper. She's a keeper. I haven't been like outside in the elements or whatever. I've literally just been sitting in the house. So I can like use this sponge to like touch my face up. But this is from earlier when I put my makeup on. It doesn't have any additional anything on it. So I went ahead and just put a lippy on, and yeah, so this is what I'm looking like after 5 to 6 hours. So I don't think it looks bad at all, and all I did was use the sponge that I used to clean my concealer and stuff out. That's the sponge I used to clean up. Like, I wasn't out in the elements, I wasn't doing anything crazy, like there was no crazy activities going on. I literally was in the house running my mouth, talking to my friends, enjoying them, eating, fellowshipping. So like, I think we look really good. Like, really, y'all. I know I say this all the time, but like, I've been having some really good luck with these foundations. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, leave some comments down below if you tried it, if you haven't, if you plan on trying it, you know, let me know. And until next time, I'll see you all later. Bye, beauties.